So in this lecture, we are going to talk about these things right here at the leftmost side. These symbols that you're seeing, the alpha, are the characters that you see here. And we're going to start off with the asterisk, as this one is the asterisk. And it says the current system peer. That's what it means. The current system peer, the computer is using this remote server as its time source to synchronize the clock. Because I made sure that this was the preferred server, because that's my CentOS server that we can configure earlier as an NTP server. The plus sign we see here, right here, is included in the combined algorithm. This is a good candidate if your current server we are synchronizing with is discarded for any reason. So you can think of it as a backup server. If this one doesn't work, then this one is automatically going to take over. Then we're going to look at this dash or negative symbol. Is discarded by the cluster algorithm. So it's not getting counted. The next one is the hash sign. The hash sign is a good remote server to be used as an alternative backup. This is only shown if you have more than 10 remote servers. And we obviously have more than 10. And there are a couple of others. You might see an O, which is a pulse server second, or PPS peer. This is generally used with GPS time sources. Although any time source delivering a PPS will do, this tally code and the previous tally code, which is asterisk, will not be displayed simultaneously. That's why we are seeing the asterisk but not the 0. You may also see an X, and which means discarded by the intersection algorithm.